Best practices for teaching online. Teaching face-to-face with more tech. As an online teacher, you are a teacher and a facilitator of student learning. Effective communication and collaboration online is different than in the physical classroom. The TEKs are still an integral part of providing effective instruction to all learners. Points to remember. You are the subject matter expert in your field. You will evaluate student performance through written assignments, projects, tests, and quizzes. You should envision and create online lessons. You should seek methods to better connect with your students through meaningful discussions and ongoing communication. There may be a great deal of new technology for you to learn. Much of the curriculum will be delivered through a learning management system. Students will contact you on a student-by-student basis, which allows for individualization. Students may work at all hours of the day or night, and communication modes will be via technology. Students still need your help. Motivation is important. Interactivity is critical to keep online students engaged and on task. Consider ways to motivate your students to get the most out of your class. The big question, where do I start? Establish an effective workspace. If possible, this space should be intended for work only. You want this space to be friendly and inviting. Embrace a range of technology. Many students may not have the same digital access, but most are comfortable using technology. Fort Worth ISD's middle and high school students have access to a device, and elementary students use technology in their classroom. Access to technology. ClassLink provides access to multiple digital resources and tools. Users can access ClassLink from a computer, tablet, or smartphone. If you need more help, follow us on Facebook and Twitter at FWISD Tech, or email your campus digital learning specialist for additional resources and support implementing some of the tools found in this video. Thank you.